It's time. Okay. We got some boys. We got some boys, we got more boys. We got many daily puzzle stands. Get out of here! Okay. QiYi MS line. 2x2, 4x4 Pyraminx. Morphing Joshi. Kilominx. I'm gonna do that first because Kilominx is cool and I don't have a stickerless one. Nice shades, bridges. I also got the YJ UV2. Different shades to that, slightly more muted, kind of nice. I'm a fan. Not much in the way of... there's a bit more difference. There's a bit of difference between the greens. Turning. It's kind of... it's dry, but that's to be expected. The reverse. Even the Shengshao cuts that. Maybe it's just a bit... loose? Tight? It's about the same. This is a little bit disappointing. Really kind of not very happy with this. I will use it anyway because of the ridges. But that's kind of upsetting. It's not that great. The Shengshao's better somehow. Gee, I'll do Pyraminx first because... really? They're all covered in plastic? Are you serious? Why? Where are my scissors? Down here. There we go. Ignore how bad I am at Pyraminx. This is actually really good. This is really nice. I'm out of frame. This is... oh, the tips are really weak. Tips are pretty weak. Easy to turn by accident. It's a lot weaker magnets than the bell. It's about the same. It's quite light. Kind of like the weak magnets. I don't know. This is surprisingly good. Yeah. I'm gonna do another solve on this. No tips, because tips, yikes. Apparently I'm bad at hand scrambling Pyra. That's really good. That's shockingly good. I didn't think it would be as good as the X-Men Bell, but it is, and I don't know which is my main. I really cannot tell. That makes me very excited for these two. I'll do the 2x2 first. Now I have a Guoguan Xinghen, which is kind of old. I considered getting the YG Yupo, and I will if this isn't good. But I'm hoping it's good. Covered in plastic is what it is. Camera. So much recycling to go to Coles. It's a tube, it doesn't even... oh, there it is. There it splits. Okay. Sounding nice already. Oh, it's fast. Ooh. This is my main. The magnets are there. I'm kind of overturning, so I might slow it down a bit, but it's definitely nice. Wow. I will not be getting the Yupo. I like the lightness. I suppose to some it might feel cheap, but I kind of like how light it is. Lots of rubbish. This one's also covered in plastic, I can see. What up, Matsvag? I do like these boxes, but damn, they can be annoying to open. I'll clear out some. Hang on. These are actually different sizes. I've got the Woolway 3x3 ones, the same size as the Pyraminx. And the rest of them are different. Oh, I didn't know they were different. Cool. That's actually pretty cool. I'm gonna throw them on the ground and deal with them after. Anyway. I'll get the Pyraminx back and line them all up. All nice and professional YouTube-y like. Now, the current 4x4 main is the Wutsue. Non-magnetic in black stickered. And I don't like it very much. It's kind of yikes. It locks and I have to have it really tight, otherwise it's too like loose. It's okay, and also my recognition is a bit of kind of yikes on. Yeah, it goes wrong. It goes wrong. It goes wrong. My recognition's not great on stickered cubes anyway, so. Okay, nice, it's fast. I will slow it down. I think it feels a little better. It is a bit fast for me though. Magnetic strength on all of these are quite weak. Ooh, actually the middle layer magnets here are stronger, which is really nice. I like that. Inner layer reverse is a bit not great. It's a bit, maybe a little bit tight. It's actually pretty good. Yeah, they all feel quite similar. Oh, listen to that. My recognition is bad from doing it through the camera. Yeah, that's very nice. I'm a fan of all of these, except this Kilominx. I'm surprisingly not much of a fan of this Kilominx. Maybe you get better after breaking in. But yeah, there's some. I might have to like Florian mod it because it seems to not want to reverse cut very well at all. Oh yeah, I need to take the center caps off. Look at that. The corner is getting stuck on the center. I have to take the center caps off to let it reverse corner cut. Okay, if you get this, you have to take the center caps off to let it reverse corner cut. I'll just try to taking one off. Okay, that doesn't help much at all. Maybe I'll just need to sand down the centers. It's a long way into that screw, so maybe I need to mod this a bit to make it good. Anyway, that's kind of disappointing. Those QiYi MS line cubes are amazing though, and you should buy them. You should buy them from Daily Puzzles because they have nice, easy shipping for people who might watch these videos, who are probably in Adelaide, because who else knows who I am? Ignore my horrible Kilominx. Oh, this thing. I got this yesterday. I got this in a separate order because I wanted. This is the YJ Yushu version 2 Megaminx, and it's one of those, you know, version 2 magnetic, brother. You know how you get one of those puzzles that is so good it makes you want to do the event. Like it makes it, I didn't like Megaminx. I got this over my Galaxy V1 non-magnetic, and I wanted to do Megaminx. I've swapped the grey and yellow side faces, by the way, because I'm weird and I use a weird Megaminx color scheme. But yeah, this is really good. You should buy it if you want to do Megaminx in the near or distant future, and you should buy it as a first Megaminx. You should buy it as your last Megaminx. You should just buy this Megaminx. This is amazing. This is a good Megaminx. This has made me want to do Megaminx and get good at Megaminx. This is a good cube, buy it. Anyway, all of these are very nice compared to my old cubes. I'm not entirely sure how they stack up to new cubes though. Haven't tried the Yupo, but I've heard that this is decent because I have it, and I will definitely be maining all of these, and I'll lube them, and all will be well. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.